Fellow Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video for all of you. We'll be diving into the world of Excel and discussing some common bad habits that you need to stop right away. By breaking these habits, you will be able to supercharge your productivity and become an Excel pro in no time. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Do not number the cells manually like this. Most of the time I see most of Excel users that they number the cells like this, but that isn't okay. Instead of that, type here equal F, open parentheses, and now choose this cell and two of this, two double quotes, and again comma, and in this part type here row and open parentheses, choose the first one, A1 it means, and you should just close this, and in this part comma, two double quotes again, and hit enter, and you should drag it up to every place that you want. And if you type any name, like I'm gonna type here Ali or maybe Alex, Jenny, so anything you type there, so it'll number them one by one automatically. Number 2, the other way that I've seen many people that they number the cells like this and they write 1 or 2 and now drag it up to the very end, so up to what number they want. In my idea, it is not a good way to do this. Instead of that, you can first type here 1 and in this part Alt H F I S, and now in this part you can start your number from number 1 up to whatever your number you want, from up to 200. So if you just click on OK, it'll number the cells like this. But if you want to number the cells to down, again repeat that, press Alt H F I S, and in this part you can just type here up to 200 and click on columns and click on OK. It'll do up to what number you want. And also many people I've seen that they are just making their data, like I'm gonna just type here today's date. For dating, just don't drag this one down up to the very end because it's gonna take a lot of time. Then the thing you need to do is just press Ctrl plus colon, it'll bring the today's date, and in this part again you can just press Alt H F I S, and in this part again you can just start your date from whatever you like. So you can just type your date up to what dates you want there. So I'm gonna type here 10 and 17 and 2023, and if you click on OK, it'll do automatically, and that is really easy for you, as I think. So number 3, as I've seen many people that they're just, if they have any product and they want to just type like this, 1 bag, or maybe they are going to type there no bag, or even they type here 44 bags. So do not write them one by one like this. Instead of that, I can show you a way that you can do it really simple for yourself that you can use from format cell. First, you have to just in this part select that part and also press Ctrl 1, and in this part click on custom, and in general just clean it. Type this code that I'm writing there. You should type this code 1 equal 1 and close it. Type here 0 and again this one, double quotes right here, back, double quotes and colon. Start this one bigger than 1, again close it, again 0 and again double quotes right here, bags, again double quotes, colon, no bags, close it. And now in this part click on OK, and now if you type here 0, so there would be no bag. 44, there would be 44 bags, 3, 1, again 66, so whatever you like. So you can just format your cells by this method. Number 4, many times I see most of the managers and bosses reject some report of their employees because they have entered into their database. But let's see how you can prevent this one. The thing that you need to do is to select any part you want and press Alt AVV, and in this part you should just come in part of whole number between, choose a list, whatever you like. I'm gonna just type here 18, and now in here I'm gonna type here 40. So if I enter the numbers between 18 and 40, it will just accept that. And instead of that, if I enter any other number, so it'll not accept it, I click on OK. And now in this part, if you type here 10, it is not gonna accept it. If I type here like 18 or maybe 90 or 22, even 38 or maybe 39, so it'll accept. Even for T is gonna be accepted. But instead of that, if you type 55 or maybe 5 itself or 55, it's not gonna accept it because I entered that after this. If I enter any wrong number, so it is not gonna be accepted. So guys, I hope you get something out of this video. If you want to become an Excel pro and be the first one to see our next powerful videos, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button and do not miss our next videos. You can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.